Hi everyone, good morning. Today let's talk about um, geography. And who knows cataratas in uh, where is cataratas? Repeat. Uh, Foz do Iguaçu, São Paulo, Brasília, Rio de Janeiro. Where is cataratas? Uh, Repeat. Cataratas is is a beautiful waterfall in Rio Grande do Sul. Uh, what's the measurement of cataratas in Foz do Iguaçu? 1 meter, one 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. Repeat: 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters. What's the height? If you have any questions, please listen to me, okay, people? Have a good day. God bless you.